And I thought, you know, this will make a fun piece that someone could hang in their home. They could hang it on their door, but it would be a nice piece that also could sit because it's a heavy board. They could put it on an easel and sit. And so I'm going to show you how to just upcycle this into something a little jazzier. We're going to start off with our bow. I think I'm going to make the tails just a little bit shorter at about 7 inches. Come on in and pleat that up. Put it right in the middle of our bow maker and twist. So that'll be one tail. I did go ahead and just turn that edge over. I'm going to go smaller. I'm going about 5 here. Keep that nice and loopy to the 5, okay? Just like we normally would do. We're going little because I don't want to overtake this whole design with too big of a bow. Oh my gosh, I love the reversible ribbon. Isn't that fun? Okay, and let's do 2 loops. So I'll just curl under that tail. And so I've just got 2 loops, 2 tails. So simple, easy. Okay, let's come in with our cable tie. We're just going to use one basic cable tie to take this off. And I'm going to put a finger on the top and just bring it on up. Look how fun that is, double-sided. Oh, yes. Let's get this tail going up, that tail going down, because I want that kind of flow going for that bow. Now, the next thing we have to do is add a floral pin to the back before we get this too tight. All right, let's turn this around. Simple little bow. 2 loops on each side, 5 inches. Okay, and that lets me see the beautiful reversible nice in there. Now I had a strip from a previous bow I made. So I'm gonna not do the check. I could do the check, but I'm gonna keep the blue on the outside since that board is blue. So I'm gonna take and just fold that over and we'll just run that down the center and run it through that floral pin too. And we'll cover up the mechanics of all of our goodies. All right, looks nice and finished. Give it a nice twist. And I'm gonna cut this and this off. Okay. This check is brown. It's brown and white. It's not your traditional black and white. It might look black on the video, but it's actually brown and white and a beautiful blue. Here's our fun little board that we're bringing back out. And we are gonna start off by putting a little floral foam at the top. That's how we're gonna anchor the whole project together. This is wood, so it should do fine, but I'm also gonna put a little Gorilla Glue just to be safe. Now, with these boards, you got to think about the weight because we don't want to tip it too much one direction or the other. So I'm going to put that right in the center. So I'm going to take my Spanish moss and I'm going to go ahead and trim it on up. So right here, I'm hitting the glue that just fell over the edge. And I like to do that so that way it's all, I don't even have to add more glue when I get ready to put that on. Here's the bow we tied. And we talked a little bit earlier about why we picked out this combo because it's just going to be a little perfect combo. So this will be going right here. And we'll put it on in a second, but let's get a little bit of greenery in first, just a couple of pieces. I like to kind of establish our perimeter and how far we want to go out from the back. This is our fishtail vern in the cream green. It's a new color that we got designed. And I love it because I can push it up and make these shorter, okay? Which kind of helps me with my base. So now I'm going to bring these in and kind of shape this out. I like this to kind of curve around and just go super simple. I love how this is going to look really pretty coming over the base and kind of contrasting with the blue. It's pretty matchy-matchy. What you do on the left, you do on the right. We got a base started. Now we want to put the bow in, okay? So remember, we added that pin to the back here. So there's a floral pin we put in the back of the bow where we normally would put the wire, okay? Or the cable tie. We put a pin. And you've got to put glue on it. No option. Okay, gotta put the blue on. Listen, that looks good already. Like, okay, fill up your craft booth. Boom, boom, boom. Cute, cute, cute. Now we're gonna put in this dusty rose in here. And that's gonna be our little bit of pink. We're pulling out the pink because we're gonna pull out the pink in the ribbon and have a little pop of that in there. So I'm gonna take and cut some of this bush out. Okay, so you want to watch your details as you get up here closer to the bow because that's what's going to be in people's face. Isn't that cute? Oh gosh, so cute. So I'm really going in. I like these little filler flowers around the bow here. That's super cute. Okay, I love it. So I did just pick 3 sides of the bow to pop in here, y'all. Isn't that great? a little bit of rose down there. You do need to clean up these cuts a little, because when you're going in here, you want to make sure they're nice and clean. Okay, now, picked out the little bit of this brown dusty rose pink color because that went really well with the blue. And we picked out this denim blue ribbon here, and then it's got the brown on the backside, so it's all neutral. Now I'm going to take these last 3 greeneries, we're going to make them a little bit shorter. I'm dividing each stem into 2, pushing them up, because I want to use these up towards the base. So I don't want this longer piece anymore. I got to have it shorter. So we're going to have to prep a little on this bush. All right, let's bring that up. And I'm just sectioning these out. So I get a little short guy here, and then I cut that nice and neat. And this is too long. I don't need it that long, so I'm just trimming it off on each piece. Right now, we've just got that greenery in the back, and I know I'm going to want a little touch of this lighter greenery in the front. So literally, we're going to bring that up to the front and slightly overlap a couple of these roses. Soften that a little bit. Get on the text list, textklee.com. You can also text us at 832-734-5201. 832-734-5201. You can just text us the word live. You'll get live alerts. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm going to layer these loops up a little bit. Let these tails be kind of curvy. Ooh, yes! Let's put just a couple more in here. Just filling in right around the bow. Yes. Let's have one come down maybe right in here. All right, guys, we did it! Y'all, so super easy. What a cute combination. Really cute. And you can just hang it up by the hanger that comes with the board, and you are good to go. I hope you enjoyed it. Have fun, guys, with flowers. I'll see you soon, Bloomeritos. Go have fun with flowers. Bye, y'all.